Alright, here I am with restore number 138 for Craig. It's 1951 5 horsepower Montgomery wards. They got the magneto rebuilt, all new good ignition, got the carburetor rebuilt, all new seals. Runs great in the barrel, I'll show you that in a minute. And now I'm replacing the impeller. Got the gear case pulled. Here's the old impeller. We'll put the new impeller on the gear case and put it back on. Then we'll rock and roll with a test run. Alright, I got the impeller changed. Got the gear case stab back on. Pressure tested. Got over 10 pounds, about 15 pounds. It's held everything. I'm ready to give her a barrel test run. And she obviously does before I take her out on the water. Here we go. Alright, she's ready for the barrel test. I got her tuned in pretty good, adjusting the high speed right here. Let's see how she runs. I'm happy with it. I'm ready to take her out on the lake for the final test run. Well, I got her back down in the water with my Kubota tractor. I'm sitting out on my 14-foot feathercraft. Let's go ahead and launch her and get her out on the lake for a run. See how she does. Well, here we are out on the water. She runs pretty good, pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 7 miles an hour. Not bad for a 1951 Montgomery ward. She's a beauty, she's a keeper. Let's take her for a run. She is in neutral. I'm going to shift her forward. Here we go. Oh, she stopped on me. Let me get her started. Yeah, she started right up. Kind of unique. The choke mechanism on this is the knob right here. You turn it and it pushes down the needle on the carburetor and floods and gives it gas. Pretty unique, but it works. This is the oldest motor I've ever worked on. I like it. Very unique. This motor's for Craig. Craig, she's ready, buddy. I'm gonna send you a message, let you know when you can come get it. love what I do. See y'all next video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please click on subscribe and tell all your friends about T Mike's Vintage Outboards YouTube channel. Also, I have dozens of links below in the description. You can find my eBay store, all the parts I have in there. You can find my trusted T Mike parts, where I make kits for fuel pump conversions, for your carburetors, for your magnetos and your gear cases. You also have a link for my mail-in repair service, how to send me your parts to repair and send them back to you. Also a link in there for technical consulting if you need some help with your vintage motors. So I love what I do. I love all the videos that you guys have requested for me to make. Keep the requests coming in, and I'll keep making the videos. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.